سڵاوم کاتتان باش هەموو مرۆڤێکی سەرگۆی زەوی مافی خۆیەتی کە خاوەنی پرۆژە بێت. ئێستاش کە ئێمە باسی پرۆژەیەک دەکەین، پرۆژەی کۆمەڵگەی دیاکۆی ناحکومی کە پرۆژەیەکی پەروەردەیە. لەم پرۆژەیەدا قوتابیان فێر دەکرێن نەک تەنیا لە پرۆژە کار بکەن، بەڵکو ببنە خاوەنی پرۆژە، بەڵکو ببنە خاوەنی بیرۆکە بۆ دامەزراندنی پرۆژە. ئێستاش بەهرەی قوتابیەکان دەبینن کە چۆن باسی ئەم پرۆژە دەکەن و چۆنیش ئامادە دەکرێن کە بتوان خۆیان خاوەنی پرۆژە بن.
I completely agree with Saboter. That's quite true. Everyone deserves to have a very huge project on Earth. That's why we, as Dyako Educational Compound, decided to have a very magnificent project for our dear students to run it and to apply their own concepts and ideas inside of the project. So now we are going to show you their talents.
Hello, I'm Iman from DEC, Dyako Educational Compound. Today I'm talking about DEC lessons and how we are studying and speaking English language. Each day we have 7 periods and 2 breaks. The first break is breakfast and the second one is lunch. We have science, we are doing the science lab, we have math, Kurdish, English words, sunrise, religion and social. We have a big fish to play tournaments. We have music, music room. We have art room. We are watching movies that help us use English language. And we have a computer lab. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Lihat Rovan. I'm grade 4A. I'm a discipline leader. Today I'm going to talk about the organization of activities at DEC. There are 3 different groups: academic group, leader prefect Zilan Nazim, discipline group, leader prefect Lihat Rovan, the social responsibility group, leader prefect Yaz Faridun. And each group has prefects. The prefects should do their job with their badges on. Thank you.
Welcome to Dyako Educational Compound. I'm Rama Shaban. Today we are going to talk about Dyako students and their hobbies. My first speech is about music. Music is an important thing in our lives. Music gives us a feeling of comfort or a feeling of enthusiasm and energy. Dyako Educational Compound wants to demonstrate its own student talent in playing different musical instruments. Here at DEC we have a lot of plans for playing music, like playing guitar and piano. And here at DEC we have the best education of music. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Fidas. I'm a student at Dyako Educational Compound. Today I'm going to be talking about how we deal with COVID at DEC. The first rule everyone must follow is to wear a mask so that it can keep us safe. Second rule is to keep distance between each other so that we don't spread the virus around. Third rule is you should wash your hands for at least 20 seconds, and last rule is to, in case you sneeze or cough, you should cover your mouth.
Hello, my name is Sanat. I'm 12 years old. I'm grade 7. I'm talking about line-up system, which is an important department at DEC. Students know how to line up straightly in the lines. At the time of going to the cafeteria and playground, line prefects guide the class line. Thank you.
Hello everyone, today I would like to talk about social responsibility is an ethical theory in which individuals are accountable for fulfilling their civic duty and the action of individuals. There must be a balance between economic growth and the welfare of society and the environment.
Hi everyone, my name is Lana. Today I'm talking about KG in Dyako Educational Compound. This is KG in DEC. It's made up of 2 parts. First KG1, that's for kids who are 4 years old. And then we have a KG2, that's for kids who are 5 years old. And KGs eat twice a day, breakfast and lunchtime. KGs also have a playtime. Kids can play in the playground with their classmates. KGs study various lessons, science, math, and Kurdish and English. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Abdulbari and I'm a student at Dyako Educational Compound, and today I'm going to talk about physical education. Physical education is important for the growth of the students' confidence level, along with capability and competence. to crucial or all parts of their entire life.
Hello everyone, my name is Zilan. Now I am talking about the multicultural, but I am speaking Turkish language. Herkese merhaba, benim adım Zilan. Ana dilim Türkmen ve okuldaki diğer arkadaşlarım Kürt. Ve hiçbir zaman kaçınmadım sırf Kürt oldukları için. Ve onlar da aynı şekilde. Okulda belki de Arap vardır, belki de benim gibi Türkmen vardır, daha niceleri. Ama hiçbir insan sırf karşısındaki kişinin dili farklı olduğu için dalga geçmemeli ve ondan uzaklaşmamalı. Teşekkür ederim. Görüşürüz. Goodbye.
Hello everyone, my name is Serdar Salar. Today I'd like to talk about lost and found at DEC. If a student loses anything, he or she has to check the place first. And if a student found anything, he or she has to give it back or put it in the place. Even Islam did not let us to take things without permission.
Hi everyone, my name is Yad. Today I would like to talk about environment and cleanup. Human needs, whether big or small. Moreover, the entire life of human depends wholly on the environmental factors. In addition, it also helps in maintaining various life cycle on Earth. To save our Earth, we need to keep our environment clean. We need to take care of our environment. And we need to save water and stop throwing trashes on the street. It is bad for the environment. And growing more plants and trees will help the environment. We do care about cleaning our compound's environment by picking up the dirty things on the ground. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad. I would like to talk about cafeteria. DEC cafeteria have the best kind of meal for students at breakfast and lunch. The food which is served every day is quite healthy and delicious, and the cafeteria is really huge and comfortable to enjoy your meal. Thank you.
مرحبا أصدقائي، أنا هيما في مدرسة دياكو في الصف السابع. اليوم سوف نتكلم عن النورنينج أو بمعنى لا الركض. في كل المدارس توجد عملية الركض، لكن في مدرستنا تمنع الركض، لكن في حالة واحدة يمكنك الركض. لازم يكون عندنا درس البدنية أم درس الرياضة، وهنا يمكنك الركض اللي هو في الملعب يمكنك صرف الطاقة اللي بداخلك كلها. وشكرا.
Every compound should have a big playground for the dear students to enjoy their free time.